Okay, come along with me for a tour of room 5111 on MSC Meraviglia. I can never say it right. It's our room. It's our bathroom. Best thing ever is that night light that comes on when we open the door. This is probably the smallest bathroom I've ever had on a cruise ship. It's really hard to dry off when you come out of the shower, but you know what I love? I love glass doors. Love them way more than the shower curtains. And there's my little hanging up thing, so I have access to all of my stuff, because that spot right there is a little too small, as is the countertop. We have a window room, as you can see. It's really about the same as it is when you have a balcony room. One thing I will say about this ship, it's the least amount of storage I've ever had. We have 1, 2, 3 shelves, 2 drawers, and some space down there for our shoes. And then we have this door, which is not the easiest to move. We have a mess here. And a little bit of hanging space. There is a shelf back there, but I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with it. There's another rack there if we needed more hanger space. And then that's it. That is it. We've been on Carnival cruises where we have 3 closets. Nice little couch, makes into a bed. Nothing fancy, king size bed. And then a nice little desk area here, refrigerator down there, a little stool to either sit at the desk or bring out here for your food and stuff. Again, these ships are like all the others. There's limited outlet space. I didn't think I have 2 of these. I should have brought them both. Some ships only have 1. This ship though does have the USB port, which others do not have. And then we have 2 outlets right there. Little teeny tiny TV. We don't ever watch it. Nothing on anyway. And then here's my calendar I bring for every trip. This particular trip has got some errors on it because we did not go to Miami because of Milton. This was a sea day instead, and we are heading back home. I think slowly. I don't know. While we're on our tour, let me just give you a peek at what we're going through here with Milton on our way home. This has actually calmed down significantly compared to what it was before. It's a little bit rocky, but hey, we're on a cruise. Boat's in the water. There's no water on the boat, so we're having a good time.